Hey guys, Joe Pisano here, and if you've never seen any of my videos, I'm a realtor in Houston with eXp, and I want to show you this amazing house. This is in the southwest part of Houston, Grand Vista subdivision. This is a house by Taylor Morrison, and this is their Jasmine model. So let's go inside and take a look.
Right, so this, again, beautiful house is the Jasmine by Taylor Morrison. You can see the square footage is just under 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and this particular model has a game room and a movie room, which is pretty nice. So let's go inside. Nice long hallway here. You can see through all the way to the back of the house. So when you first walk in and you go to the right, you've got the office. Again, you could make this into a bedroom if you wanted to, easy to convert it, but beautiful office here, which most people need since everyone's working remote these days. Downstairs, full bathroom just outside the guest bedroom, which is again in the front of the house. A lot of houses have 2 bedrooms downstairs in Texas. Popular trend, but it's very useful. I've had that myself. Big open kitchen, giant island. Love the backsplash tile in the kitchen there. Leads into the dining room and also the living room space. Very high ceilings. You can see where the upstairs is right there. Going into the master bedroom. Beautiful bay window overlooking the backyard. A lot of the master bedrooms are very big and spacious, which is great. Walking into the master bath, nice big shower, beautiful bathtub. Love the coloring, I love the gray. Double sinks. And nice walk-in closet. As we head upstairs, you can see here, I love this kind of pattern on the wall there that they did with the wood paneling. So upstairs we've got 2 bedrooms and the movie room and the game room. So here's the big open game room that overlooks the living room. Love that. Here's the movie room, the media room. If you've never had one of these, trust me, it's a must-have. Again, a lot of people aren't going to the movies or watching things at home, streaming things on all the different platforms, and it's a great place to do that. Bedroom number 1. And here's the upstairs full bath. Again, I love the tiling in this house. I'm a big fan of gray. It's very in right now. And here's the second bedroom upstairs. And there's a little elephant. As we walk out the back door into the backyard, as you can see, this is a corner lot, so huge, deep backyard. A lot of their lots have nice sized backyards, which is great. And here's the back patio. Very, very nice. Of course, every community has a community pool and kind of a playground area. This is one of the brand new exemplary schools that are in this community. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, here's the playground that I spoke of. So that's the community. That's the house, guys. If you want more information, please reach out to me. Let me help you work with the builder and get your new home.